Hey there, this is my very first time to try my vlogging camera. I'm so excited! So maganda look! So we are paying our travel tax. Guys, I'm so sorry. Please bear with me. I do not know how to use this pa. So we are paying our travel tax right now. Kasi hindi naman siya sinama sa booking, guys. Just a tip when you are traveling. And then, kung may option naman yung ticket nyo to add the travel tax on what you will be paying at the end of the booking, you should add it now. Kasi it might take a lot of time and hassle-free na rin. But now, since nga medyo nagkaroon ng scare sa COVID-19, you see there's no line sa ating sa travel tax. Ayan. See you guys later. Bye-bye. Hey guys, so we just landed here at Kansai Airport in Osaka. So we're just claiming our luggage in a few. Bale, 6:30 p.m. when we landed. Tapos the travel was surprisingly short for about 3.5 hours. 3 hours. So this is siguro nila gumagaan dito siya. So we have to ride the train. Ayan siya. Hey guys, so we're about to pick up our Wi-Fi. So I tell you, it's very essential component of your travel. So we have to have that. I'm gonna show you how we will be picking it up.
Passport, please. May I see please passport? Wi-Fi, mobile Wi-Fi, mobile battery, USB charger. Okay, 大丈夫?
Hi! Hi!
Wi-Fi, global Wi-Fi です。
Ninja Wi-Fi.
Global Wi-Fi です。
Ninja Wi-Fi. So we're picking it up now. Tinatry lang niya kung kukonect ka ba sa phone. Marami siyang wifi dito. Tignan nyo. Tabi-tabi yan. See? And there's another one there. And then there's another one sa dulo.
Okay, connect it. Drop, if I can drop it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a great day. Bye. Hi guys. So na-pick up na namin yung wifi. And we can now use Google Maps. Para makarating na kami sa Airbnb namin. I wish Raigo is here because favorite niya ang Super Mario. Tapos, di ba nga magbubukas ang Nintendo Land ni Osaka, Japan this year. So, hopefully, mabalik namin siya dito para makita naman niya ang Nintendo Land. See you guys later! So, yan. And then, we're going to Namba per head. So this is the total. Ito yung pinasok natin. Ito yung change. Quite basic guys. Guys, we're going on the Nankai line. We're going to Namba. Ayan, kasi sa may Dotonbori area tayo. Can you get this one, babe? Please. So this is the ticket. Ayan. So in peso, you just have to divide this by 2. Just insert it here, and then you'll get it here, but and it means it's already used. So there you go. So maghanap pala kami ng bakante pa. Sana meron pa. Ito pwede dito. Dito na. So I'm sitting here. Hi guys, so we're now here sa train. 45 minutes. So yung travel from the airport to our Airbnb is a total of 1 hour. Isang transfer lang. Tapos yun. Sana mabilis namin mahanap yung aming Airbnb. Kasi ang dami namin bitbit. Tapos medyo malamig sa labas. 8 or 6 or 8 degrees outside. So there, pasensya na kayo. I'm so haggard. Lawrence yung station kung saan dapat kami sasakay, yung line. Nido Shoji line dapat. Hindi niya mahanap. So, ito kami ngayon, mga lost in Namba. Bait ni ate. Tulungan niya tayo. Say hi!
Thank you.
We're looking for the Nido Shoji line. Nahanap na namin siya. Ang bait-bait ni ating Haponesa. Alam nyo guys, yun yung maganda dito. Sobrang bait ng mga Hapon. Ito na yun. Bye-bye muna. Guys. So, one station lang tayo guys and we paid 90 pesos. Sure. Kaya mo yan? Kaya mo? Kawawa naman yung asawa ko. Kawawa naman si Kuya Che. Kawawa naman si Chefy. Hey there guys, so we're here on the train station. Finally, pupunta na sa Airbnb. Hey guys! So we're on the hunt for our Airbnb. Tara! We're here! Ito siya guys, yung sinasabi ko sa inyo ng mga kadramahan ng mga mayayamang bansa na wala sa Pilipinas. Ayan. We're good. We have the key already. It's here. So we're going. What floor? 5th floor. No shoes inside. So let's open. See what's inside. Wow. Wow! Ang ganda naman pala ng ating kabahayan. Hey there, mga Anelchi. I think that's the CR. And there's 2 rooms here. Oh, wow, ang ganda ng kwarto natin. Wow, I like it. Let's check the other rooms, guys.
CR.
This one has 2 beds. Yan, it has 2 beds. It's maganda also. Look, ang gaganda ng wallpaper nila. So, ito naman 3 beds. Uy, ang lawang naman pala na ito. So, guys, we have to go out. Kasi pupunta pa kami ng Dotonbori. We're gonna try each around. And of course, I'm gonna share that with you again. Hi, guys. So, we're on our way to Dotonbori. Malapit lang siya. 10 minutes walk from our hotel. Yeah, it's a hotel. Charot. From our Airbnb. So, maglalakad na lang kami.
Open lang.
So we're finally here. The very famous Ichiran. Hello. So guys, counter type yung dine ni Ichiran. Ayan siya. Guys, foldable to. Be, kung gusto mong since mag-share tayo. Ayan, pwede mo siyang i-fold. Ayan. So guys, this is the set of Ichiran. It has eggs and it also has an extra here. So yummy. This is for 1,580 yen or around 750 to 800 pesos. Guys, sobrang sarap ng promise. Hi guys, sorry hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina. Nalobat yung camera. Tapos, ito, we're already home. Time check. What time is it? It's past 12 midnight already. So, we have to sleep na. Kasi tomorrow will be a long day. So, yun. Thank you for staying with me today. Sana magustuhan niyo yung vlog na prepare namin for you guys. Kasi it's a lot of hard work and I hope you guys will appreciate it. Also, guys, please do not forget to like the video, subscribe, and if you have any suggestions, like for what videos will I be filming next or any to that sort of, just feel free to comment down below. Good night!